Well, hi there. Thanks very much for checking out my videos. I do appreciate it. So we're out in the driveway and we're replacing a little idle pulley. Again, this little guy has been making that little squealing noise. Basically, it's a little bearing on the inside. I don't know if you can hear it. Pretty annoying. It's like chalkboard and nails. So it's one of those things. This was about 25 bucks to replace it. It took about half an hour worth of labor to do it. I'll try and put a link down below. Maybe someone else has done it in the past with a little more production value than mine. This is just something that I'm doing to get the truck up and ready for a safety inspection. And this really isn't part of the safety, but it's one of those things that it does put a shadow on a vehicle when it goes in and it sounds like it's squealing to death. So again, just a quick little update. Working away on the truck. Hopefully we'll get it up and running probably next week. Going to go out tomorrow. Found ourselves a nice set of rims and tires. Hopefully they'll bolt up nice and clean. Got to get rid of the ones that are on it because they're a little aged. The front ones are not great either. In Ontario, it's really a subject call with the tech as far as what the tires are concerned. So if it's got a lot of weather cracking, if the front ones have some wear on the outer edges, they'll probably just call them anyways. So it's better to kind of be proactive with that. The tires on this one I think are over 7 years old. So even if they did have good rubber on them, they're almost due to be replaced anyways. The rear ones actually aren't bad, so I might actually pull them off. I might throw them up on Kijiji myself, trade them off for something, a few bucks, go from there. Again, just giving you a quick little update. It'd be wonderful if you checked out my live section on YouTube. Essentially, I go through Turo. We talk a little bit about OMVEC. Lately, we've been talking a little bit about tariffs as well because it's kind of affected me at work. And we'll go from there. Again, thumbs up if you like the videos. This is just a quick 2-minute one as an update. Again, I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant and enjoyable day.